Welcome to Galactic Wisdom Way Shower, where we nurture the seeds of your soul. With Etalk beside me, let's tend to your rainbow seed, aligning your soul with the frequencies of your highest path. This is a rainbow seed maintenance reading, a weekly light body calibration. Let's get into what your light body is focusing on this week. What is your light body focusing on this week? Trust and truth. You hold the keys to the answers you seek. Woo-wee! Okay, those are two dragons and a being. It really feels like I'm speaking to an angel seed. It feels like not just an angel seed, but a dragon soul. I do mentor dragon souls, and this feels like a message for dragon souls, even dragon souls that I am not mentoring. The blue moon may have been very illuminating for you. I'm also noticing there is a sense of new light language abilities coming on in. There's also a sense of feeling very tapped into higher chakras. And I'm also noticing I could be speaking to someone that either just started using the violet flame, or they're a being that loves using the violet flame. Oh, how exciting. And they want you to focus on that. So if this reading resonates with you, know that you're an angel seed, and specifically a dragon soul angel seed. How exciting. Where are you being upgraded energetically, my dragon souls? Where are you being upgraded energetically? Oop, oop, ooh, hoo, hoo. Earth and air, stabilization, physical integration, and mental clearing. So this is very exciting. One, I want to point out I could be specifically speaking about an earth and air hybrid dragon, or an earth dragon, or an air dragon. Oh, another message is coming up. So yes, it feels like very specific types of dragon souls I'm speaking to. Also, if you have heavy earth signs or air signs within your astrology charts, I may very well be speaking to you as well. But there is a sense of no longer overthinking the actions you make in this life. And I almost feel like my shoulders can drop, and there's this sensation of just feeling immense relief that you're not having to overanalyze every single action you take. It feels like you may have had to walk on eggshells and hide your feelings around specific people, and now you're really being connected with who you truly are. I'm getting another... Oh, this makes me smile. I'm getting another dragon soul that is more galactic dragon. And you're connecting to your galactic self. You're connecting to different star beings. So if I want to see which star system you're actually out of, this dragon soul. Let's see here. Which star system? Lyran. The Lyran star system. So you're a dragon soul that actually works heavily with Lyrans. I could also be speaking to the beautiful dragon souls that got out of being controlled by specific star beings, and during the Lyran War were able to actually assist Lyrans in escaping devastating and traumatic experiences. So you're actually a very loving, both of these are very loving dragon beings. Oh my goodness, my heart is so whole right now. Now, where are you being upgraded energetically? And which chakra needs maintenance? So which chakra needs maintenance for my earth and air dragons? Earth Star Chakra. So I love this because the Earth Star Chakra for dragon souls, oh my gosh, you're going to be tapping in to the wisdom of the planet, and whoever this card connects with, you're really understanding your mission now. So that's wonderful. That is so exciting. I would recommend messaging me about the mentorships I have for dragon souls and other angel seed beings, or an angel seed activation, just because the way angels ground is not the typical manner that earth seeds ground. And you're being initiated into your angel seed chakra system. Oh my goodness, how lovely. So if you've ever, it makes sense why you may have doubted this planet, because if you've ever felt like you don't belong and you have this constant analytical mind space, it makes sense that now that you're tapping into more of your truth and you're trusting it, that connecting with this planet is going to feel less like you don't belong here and more like you have a mission and you are of service here. Now, for the dragon souls that have been assisting with the Lyrans, what chakra needs maintenance? Ooh, there's like different ones. Root chakra, you're needing to ground and center yourself. So there is a sense of not feeling safe here. And what I'm feeling, because this is a rainbow reading, I'm feeling as though you're an angel seed and you're also a Lyran. And Lyrans went through so much with their home planet being destroyed that other places just don't feel safe anymore. So really working on that root chakra, especially if you are bringing those traumatic experiences into this realm, reality, and current life. Let's check out who is assisting. Who is assisting in the earth and air dragon for tapping into our beautiful planet's wisdom? Crystal child, crystal beings. So the earth or air dragon, your crystals, if you collect crystals or if you have crystals around you, they're speaking with you. They contain messages for your dragon soul that are vital during this week in tapping in to your inner truth. How exciting. And actually trusting it. Trusting what these crystals have to say. Now, for the dragon souls that are also star seeds, Lyran star seeds, let's see who is assisting you with this root chakra and safety. Dolphin babies, Lemurians. Of course, Lemurians are assisting you. Lemurians are earth seeds from a couple earth seed cycles before the ones we are in right now. I would tap in with dolphin frequencies. because they are all about love and very much feminine and receiving assistance. And in order to receive assistance, you're going to have to begin trusting again. And that is exactly how your root chakra is going to become maintained. Is having that trust again. So I would meditate with dolphin spirit. I would find some Lemurian meditations to assist you in that manner. Now, earth and air dragons. For alignment, what needs self-care? I'm actually going to call in a crystal. Let's see. Actually, I want to see which deck here I can pull for a crystal card. There we go. Oh, that's not a card I want right now. There we go. All right. What crystal soul is helping the earth or air dragon manifest more of their truth? Moonstone. Moonstone is the crystal spirit that is assisting you in transcending anything that is not of your highest truth. And there are so many different types of moonstone out there. There's garnerite, which technically it's not green from the moonstone. Garnerite is a specific mineral that's within moonstone that is making it green. There is also black moonstone, which I love calling coffee moonstone. It looks like coffee just like spilled into it. Peach moonstone, zebradorite, which is smoky quartz and peach moonstone. There's just so many beautiful moonstones out there. So if you have a moonstone, I would definitely begin connecting with it to assist you in gathering truth of your soul's mission here on this very planet. And let's see, I'm calling in Moonstone Crystal Spirit to see, for alignment, what does the earth or air dragon need for self-care? She of the Lotus. So, my earth or air dragons, you guys, you are neither light nor darkness. You are a perfect harmony of both. So, you have to trust in being both, because your truth is partial if you are only being love and light. And your truth is partial if you are being shadow and doom and gloom. You are whole when you utilize your shadow experiences and aspects, and you also utilize your love and light. There needs to be a combination of both, much like how a lotus will literally bloom during the daytime in the sun and then go back down, back into the mud. There needs to be this balance, because that is self-care. If you are too much in the shadows, you're not being true to yourself. If you're too much in the light, you're not being true to yourself. If a lotus was always in the sunlight, it would dry right up. If a lotus was always in the mud, I'm pretty sure it would just disintegrate within the muddy waters, right? So there needs to be a give and take. And Moonstone is going to assist you with that. Now, for my Lyran Starseed and Dragon Soul Angel Seed beings, for alignment, I'm going to call in the dolphin, the Lemurian dolphins, to help answer. For alignment, what needs self-care? healing. There's a sense of not allowing healing. This card, vulnerability. You're trying to be too strong. And it's interesting because I know a lot of Lyran star beings had to be very strong in order to handle traumatic experiences of losing your planet. Trusting in this process is the type of vulnerability that is required for maintaining your root chakra, for feeling safe in the here and now, and to really allow yourself to enjoy this humanly experience. You're not meant to not be here. Your soul chose to be here and have these experiences. It's time to heal from those past lives. Heal from your Lyran starseed life. Heal from your dragon soul life. And be fully present right now with that root chakra and know you are safe. Especially if you made it through that Lyran starseed life and you're a dragon soul, you are beyond protected and safe. Wow. Thank you for walking the wisdom path with me. Keep tending your seeds, whether it be rainbow seed, angel seed, star seed, or earth seed. And may your journey be guided by being human with spirit. Tend your seeds, trust your light. I'll see you next time, guys.